Alright guys, today I'm going to do some table maintenance. I need to fix a broken pin on this guy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's wiggling. So we need to replace it. The broken pin, you don't need the pin punch. Just take a new pin. Buy these online for about 25 cents a piece. And just make sure you don't hammer the guy way out here. You'll bend the rod. Make sure it's really close to the wall, and you can stick something underneath to wedge it so you don't bend the rod. Just going nice and easy. You should just push the other one right out. You can see it was broken, and now it's nice and stiff.
I'll bring paper towels.
Next thing I got, replace the handle. For that one, you'll need to line it up with your pin punch. You can also buy this same places you get the pins online. Just pop this in here, line it up where you see the hole, and use the pin punch to guide it all the way through. And then you just hammer one of your pins through. Thank you. Just keep that in there. Help keeps the alignment in case it wiggles a little bit. I think too, you can kind of get it just right. You want to make sure that it comes out just right so you don't chip away the wood when it comes out the other side. Make sure it's nice and flush so you don't cut your hand on the metal. You might even want to just add a couple taps. Make sure it's sunk in so you don't cut your hands on it. Got one more broken pin. Oh no.
What?
This is actually a broken guy. I need to go online and buy a new yellow guy. You can see it's kind of separating there. I thought it was a broken pin. It's actually a broken guy. I'll just have to be careful with it until I get one of these in the mail. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Wait, wrap it. Wrap it.